rush you by the road and you can't sell the food right here.
I was there in front of the tractor begging the man not to push off my crop, and the man still push it off. And you know, me keep on saying, please sir, let me get help and take it off. And he said, I hard, I won't get, me push off me things. Me left things, me sell some of the cassava, me left some, say, when my daughter result come out, me I go get it sort out our uniform to go to school.
We are getting scared of Jamalco. The dust is giving us a rough time. In the mornings when we wake from our bed, we cough like until we spit blood. And they don't compensate us for nothing. The water is being contaminated. We have a reservoir here that Jamalco mining company has to put it aside. And they're giving us some water in drums. Whereas they full the drum and leave, the drum empty.
They're saying that they're not able to compensate the citizens. I believe that is not in keeping with what the bauxite policy is all about.
We need some compensation. And tomorrow me I get the result for me daughter. I not have nothing to start. Me not nobody to help me. And that me I depend on.
The farmers and the citizens on a whole, they are poorer because of bauxite mining in South Manchester and in particular in St. Toolies. Their fruit trees are gone. Their crops are gone. Their pimento trees, everything. They normally sell their oranges, tangerine to send their children back to school, especially at this time of the year. There is nothing there.
We need help. We need justice.
Jamalco is a joint venture between Noble Group and the Clarendon Alumina Production, CAP, with a focus on bauxite mining and alumina production. The company started as a bauxite mining venture by Alcoa in 1959 and exported its first shipment of bauxite in 1963. Bauxite is an ore from which aluminum is made. Jamaica contains some of the largest known deposits of bauxite in the world. The mining areas are located in the western and central parts of the island. After mining, most of the bauxite is carried to alumina plants where it is refined into alumina. Jamaica's bauxite occurs in a series of deposits across the middle of the island, east to west. The largest deposits are in the parishes of St. Anne, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, and Trelawney, with smaller deposits in Clarendon. Bauxite is aluminum-rich ore that is used for aluminum production and for production of refractory materials, chemicals, or cements. Red mud is a toxic waste of aluminum refining. Red mud is a toxic byproduct of the process that refines bauxite, raw aluminum ore, into aluminum oxide or alumina. Environmental ramifications due to surface mining. Once the mines become operational, problems requiring immediate actions were identified as high SPM concentrations due to drilling and blasting, dust pollution on haul roads, soil erosion and water quality deterioration due to washout solids, land degradation, impacts on forest ecosystem, and rehabilitation and resettlement issues due to land acquisition. The residents do have problems. The loss of grazing ground and agricultural land. Fear of accidents due to blasting. Most times, people show dissatisfaction towards the compensation package provided to them by the mining company.
They can't help with. They can't help with. No matter what we say, they can't help with.